the dub. And nigga got the city lit off the bat. Nigga, I'm doing my shit off the bat. I really made it out the trench off the bat. Real nigga finally make it rich. Off the back, off the back. Off the back, off the back.
You know how far it is? City was probably
off the back, off the back, off the back, off the back. This another anthem for the city when I win. When niggas hit your gut in your Ricky. You don't know the west side get tricky, that pin. You the LAX get in with me, you know. Hit off the back. Niggas take the west off the map. Nigga run up and off the shot. And a black guy blow a nigga one off the shot. Stop playing, nigga, tell me who you do it for. For the Bloods and the Crips, no studio. I'm talking, they don't know me, gonna step in my lane. Nigga, they call me Big Cop to put respect on my name. Nigga got the city lit off the back. Nigga, I'ma do my shit off the back. I already made it out the trench off the back. Real nigga finally made it rich off the back, off the back. Off the back, off the back. Off the back, off the back, off the back, off the back. Off the back, off the back. Off the back, off the back, off the back, off the back. Look, true story, when they take it off the back, you see this shit? Run it up. Yeah, homies, get the back and don't look back. Another anthem for the West Coast. Who did it? Nobody like AV and Rambo. Hey, Adam. And the other told that nigga, it ain't shit to get a bag like.
You better put the S on it.
What?
That's Adams.
Hey, damn! I think we got the city lit off the back. Hey, nigga, I'ma do my shit off the back. I already made it out the trench off the back. Real nigga finally got rich off the back.
Unplug world.